Plant FAQs, Philodendron Majestic. Philodendron Philodendron Majestic FAQs. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Philodendron here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the Philodendron Majestic, a truly stunning hybrid plant. This Majestic, see what I did there? Philodendron boasts a unique combination of traits inherited from its parent plants, the Philodendron verrucosum and the Philodendron sodyroi. Here, I'll answer your most burning questions about this captivating philodendron, covering its origins, care requirements, propagation methods, and even some tips on what to plant alongside it. So, whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your indoor jungle journey, buckle up and get ready to learn all about the Philodendron Majestic. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron Majestic? The Philodendron Majestic is a relatively new hybrid philodendron, a result of crossing the Philodendron verrucosum and the Philodendron sodyroi. This unique crossbreeding has resulted in a visually striking plant that combines the best features of both parents. From the Philodendron verrucosum, it inherits the glossy, dark green leaves with distinctive red veins running underneath. The Philodendron sodyroi contributes the shimmering, silvery gray speckles that adorn the Majestic's leaves, adding a touch of elegance. How do I care for my Philodendron Majestic? The Philodendron Majestic is a fairly easygoing plant when it comes to care, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced plant parents. Here's what you need to know to keep your Majestic thriving. Light. Philodendron Majestic prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Water. Water your Majestic when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common enemy of philodendrons, so it's better to err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial for your Philodendron Majestic. Look for a mix specifically designed for aeroids or indoor plants. You can also create your own mix by combining potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal for Philodendron Majestic. If the air in your home is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Fertilizer. You can fertilize your Philodendron Majestic during the growing season, spring, and summer, with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Once a month should be sufficient. How do I propagate my Philodendron Majestic? Propagating your Philodendron Majestic is a rewarding way to expand your indoor jungle or share this beauty with friends. Here are two common methods. Stem cuttings. Choose a healthy stem with at least one node, the bump where a leaf meets the stem. Make a clean cut just below a node at a 45-degree angle. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a couple of nodes exposed. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional but helpful. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot with a clear plastic bag to create a humid environment. Place the pot in bright, indirect light, and keep the soil moist but not soggy. After a few weeks, you should see signs of new growth. Once the roots are well established, remove the plastic bag and care for your new Philodendron Majestic as usual. Leaf propagation, water method. Choose a healthy mature leaf. Cut the leaf petiole, stalk, at an angle just below the main stem. Place the petiole in a glass of water, ensuring at least one node is submerged. Place the glass in bright, indirect light, and change the water every few days. Over time, roots and a new plantlet should develop at the node. Once the roots are well developed, around an inch long, you can transplant the new plantlet into a pot with well-draining potting mix. What can I plant with my Philodendron Majestic? The Philodendron Majestic's elegant form and lush foliage make it a versatile plant that can complement various other houseplants. Here are a few ideas for planting companions. Aeroids. Philodendrons of different varieties, Monstera deliciosa, Syngonium podophyllum, arrowhead plant. Calatheas. These prayer plants share similar light and humidity requirements, creating a visually interesting combination of textures and patterns. ZZ plant. Zemioculca zemifolia. This low-maintenance plant adds a touch of texture. Additional tips for a thriving Philodendron Majestic. Support. As your Philodendron Majestic matures, it will naturally want to climb. Provide a moss pole or core totem for it to climb and develop its aerial roots. Cleaning. Wipe down the leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to remove dust, and allow the plant to breathe effectively. Pests and diseases. While generally pest and disease resistant, Philodendron Majestic can be susceptible to mealybugs and fungal gnats. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. Final thoughts. The Philodendron Majestic is a stunning and relatively easy-to-care-for addition to any indoor plant collection. With its captivating foliage and manageable needs, this philodendron is sure to become a treasured member of your urban jungle. By following the tips and care instructions outlined above, you can ensure your Philodendron Majestic thrives for years to come. Happy planting!